Mayeni says Musamsele could treat her like a baby mama, not his wife. She came in Muzumbe to have kids with Musamseleku. Every time Musamseleku, when he wants to plan things, he can plan with Makumalo or Macele. Last time Mayeni was complaining about Makumalo on season 3. Why Musamseleku he can plan his things with Makumalo. He tells his wives when it comes to the issues of his house or there are things they want to buy or groceries. He says he have to find a person who can in assistance to him. But Musamseleku can plan things without telling Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Macele with Makumalo. Musamseleku saw that Mayeni and Mangwabe are not active when it comes to plan things. But Macele and Makumalo are only wives who can support him. Musamseleku knows what he is doing. But Mayeni was complaining about Mpumelelo. Musamseleku doesn't want to allow Mayeni to tell Mpumelelo that Mpumelelo have to use protection. Musamseleku tells Mpumelelo, don't listen to this. Mayeni always complaining on those issues. Mayeni have to be active because Mayeni loses at the first time when Musamseleku want to bring her as the first wife and her family didn't allow that. So Musamseleku knows that Mayeni doesn't support Musamseleku. If you want to plan things with Mayeni, it's not about Musamseleku is a bad person, but Musamseleku knows his wives. But Mangwabe doesn't complain on that. Mayeni is always complaining why Musamseleku treat me like a baby mama, why he want to plan things he can plan with Makumalo or Macele. Last time Macele and Musamseleku they humiliate Mayeni on season 8. So Mayeni she asked him, who is the 50th wife? I want to know her. So Macele says, don't ask in front of me. So Musamseleku tells Mayeni that you have to. Macele was the one who is going to tell you, not me. I don't want to tell you in front of Macele. So Musamseleku respect the tradition. The tradition says the first wife was supposed to know, and the first wife is going to tell other wives. The second wife was supposed to be her duty. Mayeni was supposed to be the first wife, but she didn't allow it on the first time to be the first wife because Musamseleku tells Mayeni's family that I want to have Eastham. They don't allow their daughter to get married to Musamseleku. Macele now was the one who have got that duty to tell them because they have got agreement with Macele. Macele was the one who supported Musamseleku when it comes to the 50th wife. Yes, at other side we can blame them, but they were right. So it was supposed to be Mayeni's duty. And Musamseleku, why Musamseleku bring Makumalo? Imagine, Musamseleku said to Mayeni's parents when they are married on 2008, Musamseleku says you have to stay with Mayeni because Mayeni doesn't have a house in Muzumbe. So I want to build a house for her. So Mayeni was staying at her parents, but they are already married to Musamseleku on 2008. So Musamseleku bring Makumalo and stay with Makumalo in Muzumbe, doesn't stay with Mayeni. He knows that Makumalo, she is intelligent. Makumalo is very active when it comes to plan things. So Musamseleku built those houses with Makumalo. Mayeni only thing she did is to come and stay in Muzumbe. That's why Mayeni she got hate because the Musamseleku knows his wives, guys. I don't want to lie. He knows that when it comes to plan business things, to build houses, to do something, Makumalo she is very active. When it comes to about culture, Istanbul, to support things about polygamy, Macele is very active to support Musamseleku. You understand? So Mayeni was complaining, but Mangwabe, I didn't hear Mangwabe complaining about that. Mangwabe doesn't care. But Mayeni was always complaining that Musamsele could treat her like a baby mama, not his wife.